What is up, guys? Parallax here, and today we're doing week 2, which is basically my day 2. And the week 2 challenge is prime factorization, which is basically if a number is like divisible by any other factor of numbers besides 1 in itself, it is not prime. And if it is, it's prime. Well, yeah, you get what I'm saying. Anyway, so put a script into workspace. We're going to start with for I equals. We're going to start with 2 because 1's just weird in prime world. We're going to go up to 100, and we're going to want it to go up by 1's. Do. Then if I, actually, let me parentheses, if I equals, well, if I modulus, which I'm not going to call it modulus, I'm just going to call it percentage sign, even though its technical term is modulus. I modulus 2 equals 0, and or I modulus 3 equals 0, or I modulus 5 equals 0, because any number that is not prime has a modulus of 2, 3, and 5. Well, is divisible by 2, 3, or 5. And it I does not equal 2, and I does not equal 3, and I does not equal 5. Oops. 5 do, because in their little thing, I is, well, 5, 2, 3, and 5 are divisible by 2, 3, and 5 because it's literally their number. And I put do instead of then. That's why you gotta make sure it's not. Then, why is there an extra end? I never put an extra end. Just delete you. If, well, not if, okay, then print I dot is not prime. Else just print I dot, which is concatenate, which combines the two strings together. And if you're going to put a space in the first one, is prime. So let me just put a space in here. Let me try that again. Come on, click right there. Thank you. So if we run this, it should show us prime numbers and non-prime numbers. Like 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 11 is a prime number, 13 is prime, 17, 19, 23, 29. Oh, and I need to switch back to output. That's fun. Okay, so switch to output, scroll up a bit because all the other fun stuff. See, as you can tell, my editor will put up a chart on screen that shows you which ones are not prime and prime, but it shows you the gist of it. And you could make it go as high as you want. You can make it go up to 10,000 numbers. You just have to change the middle number of the for loop. But I'm not going to do that because I tried doing 100,000 before, and yeah, it kind of crashed Studio. But see, it works. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.